Hey guys, welcome back. This is probably a part 2 of the first video we posted. But we got a lot of things done ever since the first video that we talked about I guess how the building is and basically all the parts we're going to use, the software, etc. And so far we've come a long way. This project has lasted around 3 weeks, probably even more, and honestly it's been quite a journey. Me and Ryan have been working on a lot of it and all that, but we got another person. His name is Thomas.
Hello.
He's helped with some of the design things and all that, so we got a lot of things done. I'm proud of how much it's grown. It's been such a journey with the software and everything. I'm surprised the software even worked. Honestly, it was flawless. It came out easily. We did have some issues and all that, but yeah, I mean, also in this video there's gonna be bad audio, so there's probably gonna be a voiceover this whole entire thing, so excuse us for that, but we're gonna probably get that work done. And so far, let's show you how far JX-53 Stellar has came along. So, here is the time, like the thing when we got to the software to work, but we didn't realize that we needed the drivers for it to work, so we were kind of just standing here looking at the screen and saying, why is it not working? But, we got that resolved and stuff, but, during the assembly progress and everything, we had some troubles with the OS and all that, but once we got the drivers, it showed sound. It was kind of strange. I mean, later in the video we'll tell you more of how we fixed our issues and stuff, but honestly, I mean, since this part, there's gonna be a lot of things happening new and stuff, but all the blue marks and green things were the signals we were receiving, but we didn't have the drivers, so we used Mr. GPT to get it. But enjoy the other parts. I mean, let's see how this goes, you know. Hey guys, welcome back. What you saw was a software demonstration of what we were receiving. Honestly, it just gave us static and a bunch of different things. I mean, it was really complicated, and we figured it out later in the video and all that, but the software was a little bit finicky and stuff. Personally, I hate Linux code or anything to do with the terminal, but we tried to figure it out. We used Mr. GPT, and honestly, it came out really good. In the next part, we went outside and we set it up, put the antenna on the roof, and started forgot what software we used, but we used a different software than what we use now. And as we're using it, we got some signal. Not the signal that we wanted to get, but we did get some signal. We did get the strange Morse code and stuff, but later on, Thomas is gonna join, and he helped with some of the design and everything else and all that, but he joined in the middle of the project. Me and Orion, during this time period, we were working on all the software, trying to get it mastered, and honestly just trying to get it perfect, so then once we upload this video, it'll work. And honestly, it came out really, really nice. I really, really like it. I'm proud of what we did. Anyways, guys, enjoy the rest. I mean, see you later.
As you could see in the video, we got food, and we were messing around with the controls still because we didn't know what we were doing with the software. We were like, why is it not working? After we were scratching our heads wondering why it wasn't working, we went back inside later and did some research, and later we found a software that could be used for SDR modules. I forgot what they're called. They were used dedicated only for that. It is called Dragon OS Pi.
Quick intervention. After we used Dragon OS, we actually got to a lot of progress in our project. We got all the programs that we needed. We got SDR++, Cubic SDR, all sorts of stuff. Credit to people who made Dragon OS Pi. Honestly, they're a lifesaver. We couldn't have finished this project without them, and we're very, very grateful for this. Basically, the next step in this project, we did a lot of trips to the makerspace, and me, Ryan, and Thomas, we all hanged out during this time, and then we started working on design. We've worked on design before, but this is where it actually starts getting to the point to where everything starts fitting, everything starts developing really fast. So far, we're almost done with this. So, the design is going well, we've done all the measurements, and mostly our goal from this point on now is just trying to perfect it. Solar power goes to main Raspberry Pi connected to antenna and back here. Line if you're behind me, back up.
Hello, I will be taking you on a walkthrough of our JX-53 Stellar V2 design. We made this absolute beauty of engineering on Fusion 360. It has many new features, it's very modern, very durable. Some of the new features from our V1 design, we have improved a lot. Some of them are a lot of USB ports. Many USB ports. I once heard from my great-great-great-grandmother that the more USB ports you have, the better. She was a wise woman, so I trust her. That is where we keep the USB extender, because, as I said, we need USB ports, because they are the most useful thing you can have. You look over here, this is more USB ports, and those two holes, those connect to the power bank. Those two square holes. One takes power in, one takes power out. That's how it works. Now if you look on this side, you can see those tiny little holes down there. Let me zoom in for you. These are the power indicators. And in those holes, that is where the power bank goes, below our Raspberry Pi. That tells us how charged the power bank is when we need to charge it and stuff. This is our module. I would say since version 1, we've made about 6 or 7 major improvements. the USB extender, the Raspberry Pi, the skeleton of it. It all together is just a very nice work of design.
So yeah, no, that's about the end of it. We got everything to work. We can receive satellite signals, get some images from SSTV and stuff. Honestly, this came out better than I thought it would. After 4 months of development, it's been good. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll keep you posted on anything else that we do, and I look forward to other things to do in the future. See you guys.